Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video. In this video, I would like to say something about this location. Okay, so now I am standing here. You can see this is my village, and I am standing here in our village behind side. Okay, so dear friends, you can see there is a on boat. Actually this boat there, and because now not any water in our area. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays I can't making any video because now I am something busy, so that is why I am not making any blogging video or practicing video. Okay, so and today I am making and practicing video making purposes. I have come here. So dear lovely friends, so if you know speaking English fluently, and if you speaking English fluently, so the time and you can practice more and more, and daily practicing video making. Okay, so dear lovely friends, which type of video make, and you practice, and every day which type of video make. Okay, so in my case I also beginner learner, and I also apply this way, like blogging video, like whenever I go to another different kind of location, the time I discuss this all around site, like plants, like any kind of uh, trees, like environment, like all around site environments. So I discuss this way I practice my English skills. So you can also apply this process, and you can apply this system, and so I think it's a natural thing, and it's a very common system. So dear friends, and another on the other hand, actually you can practice on in front of mirror, because it's a very essential. So if you speak in fluently fluent speaker, you can go to in front of mirror, and uh, you practice. Okay, so dear friends, I also apply this way. So sometime I cannot practice, and I also actually my I use for learning English application. So two application use, actually this very helpful for application for every co-learner, like every beginner learner for English speaking. So two application I use. So on application, this name is Hello Talk, and another on the actually Highbrow application is very essential for not paid, but it's totally free, and daily you can practice a lots of co-learners this application use. And I also use this application daily 20 minutes free, all co-learners. Actually this is a very helpful application for learning English. So I also use this application. Dear lovely friends, actually today I not making video for actually it's the evening time. I am actually I am busy sometimes and some days, and evening time actually I'm busy. So now I am going to a market, so that is why evening time actually free. So that is why I making video. Okay, so and this video actually completed, and after a video and after practicing video complete, and I will go to market. Okay, so and this video, so thank you. Next time, so bye bye.